Welcome to our space-saving showdown. Today, we're comparing two innovative washing solutions, the Comfee portable washing machine and the portable mini washer. Both designed for convenience and efficiency, these machines cater to those with limited space, whether you're in an apartment, dorm, or on the go. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Comfee portable washing machine is priced at $259 United States dollars, making it a more significant investment. In contrast, the portable mini washer is available for just $59 United States dollars, which is a much more budget-friendly option for those looking for a compact washing solution. This price difference is crucial for consumers who are looking for value for money. In terms of capacity, the Comfee portable washing machine offers a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the portable mini washer has a 13-liter capacity, which is ideal for baby clothes, underwear, and small items. This makes the mini washer a great choice for those who need to wash smaller items frequently. The Comfee portable washing machine comes equipped with 5 wash cycles and built-in rollers, providing versatility for various laundry needs. In contrast, the portable mini washer features a foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store. This feature is particularly beneficial for travelers and those with limited space. In conclusion, both the Comfee portable washing machine and the portable mini washer offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The Comfee provides more features and a larger capacity, while the mini washer is an affordable and portable option. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.